Hey class, and just wanted to kind of do a real quick video taking two of the examples that we did in class and putting them together. We did an example in class where we took data from an external file, brought it in, read it, and then another example that we did is we took a list of words and we sorted them and to see if there was any duplicates. So what we're going to do today is take a sample of both of those and put them together, and we're going to write a program that inputs text from a file, and then we're going to print out the unique words in that file in alphabetical order. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our program folder. So I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop, and I'm going to call it unique, because eventually that's what our program is going to be named. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to open up Notepad, and I'm going to create my external file with the information that I want. And I'm just going to do a real quick sentence that says the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. And then I'm going to do a file, save as, and of course I'm going to go to my desktop and I am going to grab that program folder and I'm going to call this example, example, and that will save it in that folder. So next what we're going to do is we're going to start up our idle. And I'm going to start a new file, and for this one we're going to start with taking in the input file, and we are going to call it in name, and it's going to be an input from the user that says enter the input file name. This is where we'll put in example.txt. And then next we are going to open the input file and initialize the list of unique words. So to do that, we're going to do input file equal open, which will open up the file. In the parentheses is going to be the name of the variable that's holding that name, which is in name. And we are going to allow Python to read it. Next, we're going to initialize our list of unique words. That's going to be unique words, and it's going to be a list, and it's going to be an open list. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take each line in the input file, and we're going to read it. And we're going to do that with a for loop. So for each line in the input file, so this is a for loop, so we use the syntax with the colon at the end, and we should get an automatic indent. We're going to create a variable called words, and it's going to do a line split. And that's one of those functions that we learned. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at each word in words, again using a for loop, and notice that this is a nested loop, so we're going to get another indentation. We're going to look to see if each word is in the list of unique words, and if it's not, we're going to append it. So we're going to do an if not word in unique words. So again, syntax for the if statement gives us the colon at the end and an automatic indent. We're going to take our list unique words, and we're going to use the function append the word. And then we're going to come out of the nested loop, and we're going to take each of the unique words in the list, and we're going to do the function sort, and then I'm going to print. Coming out, I'm going to do a file, save as, and then I'm going to come up to my desktop. There's my folder. I'm going to call it unique. Now I should be able to run the program, putting in the file name that's in that folder, and it should take the list of each unique word and put it in alphabetical order.